Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix this error that keeps popping up in your Epic Games launcher. Let's begin. First, go to your Windows Start button over here, click on it, and look for Control Panel, right? Over here under Programs, click on Uninstall a Program, then look for Epic Games Launcher under the E section, right-click on it, and then click on Repair. Once done, the next step would be to minimize this or close Control Panel, then on the Start menu again, type Epic Games Launcher. This time, right-click on it, and then go to Open File Location. Now, automatically, it will select the Epic Games EXE or Launcher. I want you to right-click on it, go to Properties, and then go to Compatibility tab. Over here, I want you to select these two options. Run this program as the admin, and then disable full screen optimizations. Now click on apply, okay. And if that still doesn't work, what you can do is go back over here and then run this program in compatibility mode also. And then choose apply, okay. Then go ahead, restart Epic Games, and everything should now be working smoothly as ever. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.